But demand for mechanical keyboards continues to grow as more users appreciate their tactile feedback, durability, and performance benefits, particularly typists and gamers. This guide evaluates the best sports activity tracker watches, focusing on features like fitness, Parsonver smartwatch, answer make calls, smartwatch for women, men, IP68 waterproof. The Parsonver smartwatch is a great all-around fitness tracker watch for both men and women. With Bluetooth calling capabilities, you can make and receive calls directly from your wrist, making it ideal for active users on the go. It features a vibrant 1.7-inch screen. Smartwatch. Answer make calls. 1.91 smartwatches for men, women. This 1.91 smartwatch offers an ultra-large HD screen, combining high-tech features with a sleek and premium look. It's designed to track multiple sports modes, including running, cycling, walking, and more, while also monitoring heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep quality. The Bluetooth call feature adds great convenience, allowing for hands-free conversations. It's IP67 waterproof. Kids waterproof smartwatch with fitness tracker sports activity pedometer. Designed specifically for kids, this waterproof smartwatch encourages physical activity and helps parents monitor daily steps, active minutes, and calories burned. It's user-friendly and visually appealing, with colorful graphics and a durable strap suited for smaller wrists. 4. Smartwatch, answer make call. 2025 HD 1.91 smartwatch. This 2025 edition smartwatch offers a modern HD display and Bluetooth call functionality, making it a solid choice for fitness-focused users. It tracks steps, distance, calories, sleep, heart rate, and blood oxygen in real time, helping you stay informed about your wellness goals. With over 100 sports modes, it adapts to any workout you choose, indoors or outdoors. Its responsive touchscreen